Hasra, a brave freedom fighter, died on 29 September 1942. Despite many freedom fighters like her going unrecognized, Hazra made a significant impact. Born in rural Bengal, she was married at 12 to an elderly man and became a widow by 18. Thrown out by her stepchildren, she survived as a laborer. In 1932, during the civil disobedience movement, she joined a protest and was arrested for the first time. At 72, during the Quit India movement, she led a procession of 6,000 people in Tamluk. When the police shot her, she held the tricolour high until a final shot to her forehead took her life. She died fighting for India's freedom. On September 29, 1959, Aarti Shah became the first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel. Born on December 24, 1940, she had already made history in 1952 as the first Indian woman to participate in the Helsinki Olympics. In 1959, she set out to conquer the English Channel, a 35-kilometer stretch of the Atlantic Ocean between southern England and northern France, known for its challenging conditions. After failing her first attempt, Aarti successfully crossed the Channel on her second try in 16 hours and 20 minutes. She was awarded the Padam Shri in 1960, and in 1999 a postage stamp was issued in her honor. Aarti passed away on August 23, 1994. On September 29, 1954, the European Nuclear Research Organization CERN was established. CERN stands for the European Council for Nuclear Research and is the world's largest physics laboratory located near Geneva on the France-Switzerland border. India is among its 22 member countries. Around 8,000 scientists and engineers work at CERN. After a decade of effort, the Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest collider, was built here on July 4, 2012. The Higgs boson, also known as the God particle, was discovered through experiments in the collider, where protons and lead ion particles were collided at the speed of light. Scientists believe these elementary particles formed the universe after the Big Bang. Rudolf Diesel, a renowned German engineer, died on September 29, 1913. Born on March 18, 1858 in Paris, Diesel's discoveries led to the creation of the diesel engine. After studying in Munich, he researched and wrote the book, The Theory and the Construction of a Rational Heat Motor, in 1893. By 1899, he had opened a factory to manufacture engines and dedicated the rest of his life to improving them. On September 29, 1913, Diesel boarded the ship Dresden in Antwerp to attend a meeting in England but disappeared that night. His body was found 10 days later. Some believe he was murdered by German spies for refusing to share diesel engine technology with the German government. On September 29, 2006, Anousheh Ansari, the world's first female space tourist, safely returned to Earth. Born on September 12, 1966 in Iran, Ansari later moved to the United States in 1984 and became an American businesswoman. She made history as the first female space tourist and the first Muslim woman to go to space. In 2002, she donated millions to the X Prize Foundation, which was renamed the Ansari X Prize in her honor. Ansari strongly supported the idea of privatizing space exploration. She arranged her space journey through Space Adventures Limited and paid approximately $20 million for the mission. On September 18, 2006, she launched abroad Soyuz TMA-9, spent 8 days in space and returned safely, landing in Kazakhstan. World Heart Day is observed annually on September 29 to raise awareness about heart disease, which causes over 20 million deaths each year. In 1999, the World Heart Federation, in collaboration with the World Health Organization, established World Heart Day. The initiative was spearheaded by Antoni Baez de Luna, then president of the World Heart Federation. Initially, the day was celebrated on the last Sunday of September, with the first event held on September 24, 2000. However, since 2012, World Heart Day has been observed on September 29.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.